Hey, do you know how to fine-tune a model? Of course not. Well, you know what? I'll just ignore him. Oh God, what am I supposed to do now? I gotta make one. Okay, don't panic. It's just a fine-tuned model. What do I need? A couple of lines of code in ChatGPT. Shouldn't be that hard. But what if, okay, I got just the idea. Firstly, go to together.ai and create an account. Now, create a new notebook on Google Colab and install the Together Python library. Next, import Together and configure your API key in an initialization script. We forgot one thing. Before we can start fine-tuning, we'll need to prepare our dataset. Datasets must be JSON files. Each line is another sample and should be formatted with a single text field. Okay, this is as easy as 2 plus 2. Let's make one. But what if we messed up with the dataset? No worries, we may use Together Files Check to check if a JSON file has the correct format. Whoa! Now we can upload our dataset. Once the upload is done, you should get the file ID. Don't forget to copy it. We'll need it in the next step. So let's start fine-tuning. Set the file ID in any model you want to fine-tune. No idea. Maybe Meta's LLaMA too? Yep, why not? Next, set the weight and bias API key to monitor the progress and metrics. Sounds cool, isn't it? Fingers crossed and run the cell. If you didn't get an error, congratulations. Otherwise, I can't help you. Haha, okay, kidding. Also, we may verify that our model is learning and our training loss is decreasing. Run the script, and when the job is finished, you should see complete. Clap to yourself, you did a great job. Let's head back to together.ai and start our fine-tuned model. Wait a few minutes. I think I'm ready. I'm going to try it out. Here we go. Wait, it's working. Oh my God, I did it. Wait, no, we did it. Well, I guess that's all for this video. If you liked it, make sure you do your magic down there and see you on the next one.